Welcome, Earth Travelers. It's Jeremy, the content curator for Travelivery. Well, it appears the SLS on the Las Vegas Strip is no more, as Thursday, June 27th marked the dawn of a new era in the evolution of Las Vegas, as businessman Alex Meruelo unveiled the return of Sahara to the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. In a city known for over-the-top spectacle, Meruelo upped the ante with a dramatic announcement event revealing the resort name and a bold display of modern engineering. And a first for Las Vegas, the custom-made production featured a dynamic Intel shooting star drone light show, 3D projection mapping, and dazzling pyrotechnics display, paving the way for the distinctive return of an icon. Just prior to the reveal, Meruelo addressed a crowd of more than 700 special guests, which included local dignitaries, celebrities, hotel guests, and team members. Meruelo shared his vision for the iconic resort, his love of Las Vegas, and a long-held desire to make his mark on the Las Vegas Strip. Now, let's check out this sizzle reel from the festivities. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it.
The Strip starts here.
So, here's my take on the SLS becoming the Sahara Las Vegas once again. I personally don't think they should have changed the name to the SLS to begin with. Why? Because the property gets so much brand recognition in Las Vegas simply because the street the Sahara is on, Sahara, was named after the original property. Sahara runs the width of Las Vegas all the way east and all the way west. In addition, there's a Sahara exit off the freeway, which, whether you're visiting Las Vegas or just passing through, you see the name. Other Las Vegas Strip properties to have this same brand recognition are the Flamingo and the Tropicana. I also think any investment to improve a property is a good thing. People come to Las Vegas to see new things. I'm sure with a $100 million renovation, they'll be able to add plenty of new things. Well, as always, the adventure continues. Thanks for watching this video about Sahara Las Vegas. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Also, to stay in the loop, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to always be notified when Travelivery posts a new video. To check out more videos and visit our website, simply click on any of the options you see on the screen.